Happy All Hallows Eve. If you want to create your own Halloween decor, some whimsical and some spooky, then welcome to my home. This is a Halloween hop hosted by Indiana Jones, and I am the co-host, Sandy Mackenzie, LumberMill DIY. Happy witchcrafting! In my display, I have witchcrafted all of these pieces. I hope you enjoy them. The rules of this hop are very easy. There is an Amazon gift card giveaway that you could win. All you need to do is comment and like all the videos on this hop. The links will be in the descriptions below. You start with Indiana Jones and you end with Indiana Jones. You must comment on both of her videos. The last video will have a question for you to answer. Don't worry, it's a very easy question. Good luck and happy All Hallows Eve.